Hey guys, Siobhan here from Premium Diagnostics. So today we're going to be doing a product demonstration of our windscreen chip repair kit. So this is what the kit looks like, and it comes with everything that you need. So this is the chip in the windscreen before we've done the repair. First step is to clean and prepare the windscreen, so we're just using a paper towel and a bit of Windex. Next, we need to attach the suction cup bracket so that the hole is directly over the chip. Then we need to screw in the pressure cylinder so that it is making contact with the windscreen. Now you'll feel it because the whole suction cup bracket will push up. Confirming here it's in the right spot, it's making contact with the windscreen, and now we're going to go and put the resin in. So you only need about 3 or 4 drops. Then we need to wind in the pressure bar. Once the pressure bar is wound all the way in, the resin should fill the crack, but to double check, you can actually jump into the vehicle like this, and as you can see, the resin is filling up the crack. Now you may need to repeat this step a few times to get the crack all the way filled. Now next, we only need to put a drop of resin on the curing film. This goes over the chip, remove any air bubbles, and then we need to park the car in the sun for 30 minutes. Now the resin is hardened by UV light, so you really do need to park it outside. Now the final step is to peel off the curing film and use the razor blade supplied to just get rid of any excess resin there. Now we're going to give it a final wipe down. As you can see, there is still a very vague spot there, but it's come up pretty nicely and that won't be cracking any further, so I'm pretty happy with that. It's very easy to use, anyone can do it. I would recommend this kit to anybody that has a chip in their windscreen that wants to have a go at fixing it themselves.